In today's video, we are going to show you how to use HoneyBook. If you are a freelancer, creative, or small business owner looking to manage clients, send contracts, and get paid all in one place, HoneyBook is for you. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and of course, you will land on your HoneyBook dashboard. Now, this is basically the command center where you can see your active projects, upcoming tasks, payment and inquiries, and on the left side panel of your dashboard lives all the tools and features. Okay? So number one here is going to be the setup. This is where you configure your HoneyBook account. You can add your plan, you can add your business details, branding elements, contracts, questionnaires, and a lot more. So think of this as the foundation of your workflow. The home button is the first page you'll land when you log in. Of course, the project is essentially where if you want to create a new project from, let's say from scratch, okay? This is going to be where each client job lives. You can create a new project from scratch if you want. For example, this, you can choose from a different type, advertising, branding, or marketing, photo shoot, other, it's up to you. Okay? And then click the create project. It's super simple. So you can organize all timelines for your client and click that. Now, the lead capture has too many options for you. You can have a contact forms and Chrome extension. Basically, you use this to collect new client inquiries. Now, the calendar section is your scheduling hub. You can manage availability, send booking links, view confirmed sessions, and sync with external calendars like Google Calendar if you wanted. If you wanted to create a new one, right here you can do so. The services is where you define what you offer. Okay, for example, we are going to create a new offer. You can also add your image here or logo to reflect your brand identity, and put in the description and the pricing. Super simple. Add the service. Now you can create packages, pricing, session details, and a lot more. Now the files stores all your uploaded documents, where your contracts, proposals. Matter of fact, we have several videos on how to create a contract, how to send an invoice here in our channel that you might want to look into. All right. And then you have the finance, which handles the money side of your business, track invoices, payments, deposits, QuickBooks, Tax Hub, and a lot more. The automation is your time-saving powerhouse because you can set up workflow that automatically send emails, contracts, invoices, reminders, and follow-ups based on triggers. Okay? And then the tools are the extra features to help you work smarter. This may include smart files, templates, and productivity tools depending on your plan. And then you have the integrations right here. And of course, let's not forget the reports. This is going to be the business insights and performance tracking. You can view revenue, download reports, booking trends, payment status, and overall business growth idea. Now, the last is going to be your contact, where your client database lives. You have your clients, collaborators, making it easy to manage relationships and reuse information. Now, what you can do is start simple. I want you to set up your profile by going to the settings and click the company settings. Provide your company type, company email, website if you have, and of course, your logo to reflect your brand identity. Once you're happy, and if you want to unlock all of the tools and features, I highly suggest you upgrade to the Pro plan. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use HoneyBook for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.